Hi, this is Mark from Beautiful View Window Cleaning here in Toronto. I got an idea a while back that I'd take a look at some of my tools that I bought over the last year and make review videos from them. Now, I don't support one brand over another, but I can show you some of the pros and cons of the tools that I have bought so far. So why don't we go take a look at a couple of them, and this video will be part one. This is window cleaning tools reviewed. Okay, let's go. Okay, first up we have the Scrape Master 4-inch scraper by Ettore. I use this one a lot. The number one thing I like about this scraper is it is extremely light. Play around with this thing, you don't even know you have a scraper in your hand. It's very good that way. Number one thing I don't like about this scraper is the lid. Maybe you can see the lid here. It's already cracked. This is the second lid I've bought in about a month. Pretty flimsy, pretty cheap. Comes off easy. Sometimes when you have the tool on your tool belt, your elbow will accidentally knock the lid off. Next thing you know, you've got a cut arm. It's happened to me a couple of times. But like I said, pro, very light. Don't even know you're holding a scraper. Con, kind of cheap construction, cheap lid, have to replace them. They break easily. They fall off the tool all the time and then you end up stepping on them. So you got to weigh the pros and the cons. If you want something that's going to last you a long time, is going to be very strong, rigid, you might want to look at something else. But for now it's okay for me. Okay, the next item I'd like to talk about today is the Vice Versa by Unger. I bought this tool almost a year ago, about 11 months ago I'd say. At the time I was looking at price, so I bought the smallest one. I was kind of sorry I did it after the first couple of jobs because you know, you got this tool up in the air there and you want to be able to get back down and get your windows cleaned quickly. It doesn't cover a lot of ground, the small one. It does help you with those hot days when you got that hot glass and you want to wash and squeegee right away. You don't have to switch tools, but if you buy the small tool, you're going to find that it's not big enough. Fortunately, there are some add-on parts that you can purchase from your supplier, which will allow you to pimp this thing out. Yes, that's right, I said pimp this thing out into a 22-incher. So I'm going to kind of show you how that goes together. First of all, here's the other thing I don't like about this tool when you buy it, is that the sleeve that they give you is just a standard sleeve. Now, it's kind of cheap, doesn't hold a lot of water. So anyway, you see these two end pieces here, they actually screw off and you can screw on bigger pieces. So this one's been set up to make a 10-inch Vice Versa. I'm going to do a little switcheroo, so if you just hang on a second. Okay, here we got the 22-inch ends on. Hold on one more second. Now we have the sleeve on there. This is a monsoon sleeve. This will hold a whole lot more water, allow you to cover more windows when it's way up there in the air. Last thing I need to do now is fit a 22-inch channel. I'm not even going to bother doing it right now, but I'll just show you there. I've got the 22-inch channel. So now I got a 22-inch tool, which I can wash windows and squeegee them right away. Now I know there's a lot of people out there that like the Ettore back flip. I have to admit I've never tried the back flip. I understand it is a bit more of a versatile tool as far as being two tools in one. You can separate them easily, use one or the other. But still I like this Unger Vice Versa. I use it at least twice a week. I use it a lot on commercial and a few homes here and there where ladder work is out of the question. Okay, so that's it for video 1. Video 2, I think we're going to take a look at the ladders that I use. I don't use extension ladders. I actually use combination ladders, or multi-ladders as some people call them. And we'll take a look at those ladders and how they operate, and both of them are a little bit different in functionality. So stay tuned. Hopefully I'll have that for you in a couple weeks.